Right, another Apple product announced, another unboxing, and today we have the 13-inch MacBook Air with the M3 chip in midnight. So, without further ado, let's get unboxing. Flip it over. Here we go. So we've got a blue braided cable, which looks quite nice. And we've got the plug. Now, time to open this bad boy. Yeah. Here we are. I think it's the same as last year's MacBook Air, but apparently the color is supposed to be less fingerprinty, with some new anodization feature or something. So let's see how it looks. I mean, it's still there, but I don't know if you can see it on the screen. It's not as bad compared to the last one. Scratch that. Fingerprints are quite visible. If I flip it around, yeah, not ideal. It doesn't seem like Apple fixed their issue before. I do like the color. This was an option for the MacBook Pro, then that would have been very nice. But yeah, that's the unboxing for the MacBook Air M3. Pretty simple. It's the same design as last year. It's just a new chip, an additional external monitor that you can plug into it, and a whole bunch of other things. Yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a like, press that subscribe button, and until next time.